hello viewers, it's Myla Minute IAS Academy and today we are going to see Baltic Sea. So Baltic Sea is right here. This is Baltic Sea. Earlier we have seen many seas in our Myla Minute IAS Academy channel, and we have seen Black Sea, Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea, and we have seen Caspian Sea, Dead Sea, Aral Sea. We have seen all these seas, and we have also seen South China Sea, East China Sea. While seeing the China, we have seen about East China Sea, Yellow Sea, and the seas in the eastern side also. So now we are going to see Baltic Sea. So Baltic Sea is right here, and this is Europe actually. This is in Europe. So first one is here, it is Norway. This is Norway. This is Sweden. It is Finland, and all this, it is Russia, and we have many countries right here. So the countries in Baltic Sea, the countries that surround Baltic Sea, we have an acronym for it, and it is GDS FEL RP. So GDS FEL RP is the acronym to remember the countries that border Baltic Sea. So let us see the countries. First one is G for Germany. Germany here. D for Denmark. Denmark is here. Germany, Denmark. S is Sweden, then Finland, then E. E is right here. It is Estonia. Here actually this region is entirely Russia. So it is Estonia. Then we have Latvia. This is Latvia. Then we have Lithuania. So F, Finland, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, then R. This small region is also Russia. So here also Russia, then this small region is also Russia. So Russia is here. Then this is Poland. So these are the countries that surround Baltic Sea. So let us recall once. So it is GDS FEL RP. First G is Germany, Denmark, Sweden, Finland, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Russia and Poland. These are the countries that border Baltic Sea. Okay, so that's it. And this is UK. This is UK. This island is Iceland. This is Scotland. And the sea between this UK and Norway, Sweden. Here we have a sea, and that sea is called as North Sea. This is North Sea, and here after Germany we have some countries. It will be extending like here. So here it is France. So between this France and UK island we have a channel, and that channel is called as English Channel. It is called as English Channel. And here there is a bay, and it is called as Bay of Biscay. And above Norway right here between Ireland, so this is Ireland. Between Ireland and Norway we have a sea, and it is called as Norwegian Sea. It is Norwegian Sea. And here in this region we have a sea, and it is White Sea. It is White Sea. And this is a gulf. This gulf is called as Gulf of Bothnia. This gulf, actually it is a water body. So this gulf region is called as Gulf of Bothnia. So the seas which we have seen is right here we have White Sea. Here we have Gulf of Bothnia. Between this UK and Norway here we have North Sea. Between France and UK we have English Channel. And on the western side of France we will be having Bay of Biscay. And We have Ireland here. Between Ireland and Norway, we have Norwegian Sea. And these are the countries that are in Baltic Sea, the countries that border Baltic Sea, and we have seen certain seas here. So subscribe to My Lemonade IAS Academy.